Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an unboxing from BeebeeCraft store, and BeebeeCrafts reached out to me via email. They had saw some of my crafty videos, and they wanted to promote their YouTube program. So I did sign up for their YouTube program, and for this program you can get free crafty items to try out. The only rules for this program is you have to have over 100 subscribers on your channel, and you have to do some crafty videos using those products and send those videos over to BeebeeCraft. I think that's an awesome way to try out new crafty items. If you are a card maker, a scrapbooker, if you're into resin crafts, jewelry making, they have something for you over on their site. I checked out BeebeeCraft website when I got that email, and I was over there for a long time. I was looking through all of the awesome products they have on their site, and I was just so happy about this program because they allow you to pick items that you like, and they ship them to you, and you just create your video content and send those videos over to them. I just think that's a wonderful program. So I'm really thankful for BeebeeCraft for sending me this package, and I'm just gonna stop babbling on and go ahead and get into it. So I've already cut the bag just to make it a little bit faster. I've cut it, and I'm just gonna pull the contents out of the bag, and we will go through everything together. Okay, so they had everything packaged really tight and neat together. So let me see. It comes with the packing slip, and it just basically goes over the items that you chose. So I did choose this 100-piece different multicolored tassels, mini tassels. I also chose some multicolored threads. I also chose some vinyl, and also some little enamel charms. So I am going to go through those with you guys. Okay, so this is a bag of the tassels. Okay, so this is 100 tassels, guys. Super cute. Love the colors. You get a whole bag. It's packed full. I'm just gonna open up and pull out a few of these. Look at that. So like I said, if you are into card making, you can use these embellishments for card making, for scrapbooking, making embellishments for your crafts, and you could even use these to make earrings. So these are really cute, and you get pretty much every color under the rainbow, it seems. So just really cute little tassels. I love these mini tassels. Love, love, love them. Yeah. So cute. So I got all colors. There's mint, red, purples. There's pink, black, white, green. So you get all colors, and they have the gold thread and the gold like jump ring. So love it. Okay, so I got those, and then I also got this bag of these little enamel charms. I'm just gonna pour these out and share them. And I was really thinking about, really cute, they're little Santas with his little gift bag. Really cute, and I love gold, the gold accents. You can get these in silver. I mean, they have so much to choose from. And I believe this is, yeah, this is a pack of 20. So really, really cute. Really nice. If you can see that, it's like the little Santa. He's holding his bag of gifts there. Really cute. And you can also use these to make jewelry. You can use them for your embellishments, which I plan to do. And I'm definitely going to come back and share some videos on what I create with these. So I love that. Really good quality. And here is, these are like kind of like faux leather sheets. And this is like an iridescent, a really pretty iridescent. So you can get, it looks like purple and silver mixed in there. Just really pretty. And the back has this kind of like, I don't want to say felt material, but so I thought about making some bows, and I think this is really great to make bows. So that's what I think I want to do. They're all like this really pretty iridescent. So I'm just going to go through and share the colors. Look at that. That is so pretty. So definitely, guys, I'm going to come back and share with you how I use these products. I love this. Look at that pink. It's so pretty. They're all just so pretty. And these all came as a set. There's a lighter pink iridescent. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like I got 9 sheets here. And let me see how large they are. So they're measuring like 11 3/4 by about 8. That's what I just measured. Super pretty. I love these, and I cannot wait to play with this. And I love that they come in this nice Ziploc bag. That's where I'm going to keep them stored. And then last but not least, I got this really pretty thread. Now, y'all know, if y'all watched any of my embellishment videos, especially my recent Halloween embellishment videos, that I love using the metallic thread to add accents to my embellishments. And look at this whole set. They're all like a metallic finish on the thread. Super pretty. Look at those colors. And these match. Everything matches so well. Like all of this would go together. Okay, so I can use all of this together. These sheets really match this. So I'm definitely gonna see about adding some stitching to the bows that I create. So stay tuned for that, guys. So this is a pretty blue. Look at this one. It's like a multicolored thread. I love that. I love that. And y'all know I just told y'all about my new sewing machine. So I cannot wait to use these beautiful threads. So what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. You get 20 rolls of thread. These are so pretty. I just cannot stress how pretty these threads are. Really pretty. And like I told y'all, from Walmart, you're gonna pay almost $4 a roll for this thread at Walmart, because I have some of this metallic gold that I got from Walmart. So definitely try out BeebeeCraft. This set is just beautiful. Love these colors. So those are the items that I chose. And again, guys, definitely check out BeebeeCraft. Check out their YouTube program if you're interested. And remember, I will leave links to all these products in my description box below. I will also leave a link to BeebeeCraft YouTube program in the description box below in case you guys are interested. I think it's an awesome program. And it's super easy. You're already making crafty videos anyway, so how about get some free products to try out? while making your crafty videos, send them on over to BeebeeCraft. I think it's awesome. That's all I can say. So yeah, if you like this video, guys, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and you would like to subscribe, please click the subscribe button, sorry, in the link below. And feel free to comment if you've already tried out some of these products. Comment below and tell me what your favorite, or if you like these products from this video, comment and tell me what's your favorite. I'm really loving the thread. So yeah, so I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.